Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, potassium, folic acid and fiber. This is an antioxidant. Strawberry soap can brighten the complexion. This will reduce the dark spots and wrinkles on your skin. It also cures acne and reduces open pores. Today I am going to tell you how to make the strawberry soap. Take 5 strawberries. Remove the green part and wash. Then chop into small pieces. Now put them in a blender cup. Now blend it. Pour the strawberry paste in a bowl. This is the paste. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Now add vitamin E capsule. Mix it well. Take soap base and chop into small pieces. Melt it by double boil method. Now add strawberry mixture into it. Mix it well. Turn off the stove. Now take a soap mold and pour the soap mixture. Now keep it in the fridge for 2 hours.